Hi, this is Dr. Friedlander, and in this lecture, what I'd like to talk to you about is how we can use assistive technology to create visual supports. So the first thing we'd like to talk about is who benefits from visual supports. So certainly students that have or who are on the spectrum, so students with autism or individuals that are on the spectrum. Students who may have cognitive disabilities. Certainly students with developmental disabilities. And students where maybe English is not the primary, their primary language. So these would be instances where these can really be benefits to using these tools. So let's talk about some different types of activities or things that you could do with that. So certainly the first thing that comes to mind is picture schedules, and certainly students that are on the spectrum really respond well to picture schedules. So certainly picture schedules can be important, and we can certainly use software. For example, we might use something like Widget Online, or some of you may be familiar with Boardmaker Online. And with each of these programs, they provide picture communication, symbols. So they're basically a library of symbols or pictures, usually icons. So you might find, an icon that, looks something like this for a book. And that's certainly important. The other thing that you can use these for are activity sequences. And these are really helpful to students when they can see how to sequence their activities. And also allows them to possibly do it even more independently, which can be really important to them, especially with those students where language may not be all that good. Having the sequence allows them to do the task independently, which is really, really great. Some teachers will also use pictures for social stories. And these would be opportunities for teachers to create instructions or stories to help students to prepare for an event or an activity. So imagine the student has to go to the dentist or even get a haircut, how frightening that might be for a student that might be on the spectrum. So what it does, it allows the students to prepare visually for the event. thus reducing anxiety and also prepping them for the event. So I hope you found this helpful, and I will give you access to Widget Online through Google Classroom so that you can experience using a tool to create visual supports.